I can pull a good coffee, don't get me wrong. But right. Well, should we start at the beginning? Right. It's always a good place to start. I'm trying to explain, but you seem to keep cutting me off. I wanted to do a nice hour of stand-up here, make everyone happy, make everyone laugh, and you just cut me down at every opportunity.
Well, I tried before.
That's his own way, though.
The lad that was off was the lad over there. And
the nicest place ever. Get your own way, innit?
Oh, I'm not pleased with anyone, believe you me. Believe you me. I don't get on as well with bosses.
Please anyone, do you?
Everyone's safety, really. I mean, at the end of the day, it's not up to me, is it?
Why not? There's loads been broken here. It's not even a valid.
Believe you me, there'll be a lot less paperwork. I could just tear bits of paper up. I don't need a shredder. I need a very big shredder. You want to see the paperwork at Central Park? I don't know all the ins and outs. I don't know where he's doing it all. Yeah. I mean, you're cracking. It could be better invested elsewhere.
He knows. He's a
Blimey. Britain, 21st century. Right. Welcome to the New World Order.
Oh, this one, an eviction.
We become bailiff's assistants.
Here on the Connell Avenue Mosque in Manchester.
Terrible. Hope it happens to their kids, you know.
All right, 5 years you've been working for G4S. See how much you're getting paid then?
Yeah.
There'll be no pension.
Hey?
Might happen to your kids as well when they're older. You know,
Selling out your own people.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, when your parents not around.
Selling out your own people.
Terrible. All this for one man in Manchester. Look at the state of it, eh? Yeah. You wonder why people don't like police.
It's all right, your time's coming.
It'll be your turn one day, lads. Trust
Shame
me.
on you.
Shame on you. They're making plans to get rid of you now with all the layoffs and the cuts and everything.
Yeah. Get rid of
It
all
doesn't
the police.
matter though, we'll still come and support you regardless.
We're not the enemy, we're paying your wages.
Selling your children down the river.
Shame on you!
Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you!
Shame on you!
Shame on you.
Facilitating the corporations once again.
Bailiff's assistants you become.
Hey, to serve and protect. What happened to that?
What happened to your oath?
Don't know.
You're working for bailiffs.
What happened to your oath? You swore an oath. What are you doing?
Told you. Fighting the people, protecting crime and corporations.
Protecting paedophiles. That's all you're doing.
What's the point in working in this country if this happens to you? Eh?
We just go to
You know what I mean?
wages, aren't we, mate?
You know what do people work for? You know. He hasn't got no parents, Ali. You know what I mean? You come and do all this to him. You might smile and all laugh at it, but at the end of the day, it might happen to your kids when when all using it.
Right, when you're on half pay with no pension for G4S in 5 years' time, don't come running to us.
Yeah.
When you've no pension, your kids have been sold down the river.
You won't be there to help him, like he's no one there to help him up there.
You want to be ashamed of yourselves. Hang your heads in shame. Your grandchildren will see this.
Yeah, they will.
Hey, and they'll curse you. That's what they'll do.
Is that what my daddy done? Bloody hell, that's terrible that.
Look what my mum and my dad did.
Bloody hell.
Look what they facilitated.
Exactly.
Where's the person from the council? How come they're not here? The bent ones.
Because they pay these guys to do it now, haven't you heard?
What's wrong with it?
GMP.
Shouldn't the bent person
It's
be
all
a
about
victim?
profit these days. It's
Fake
about
banks,
making the
fake
money.
courts, fake money, fake
Yeah.
police.
Yeah.
Rubber
You wanna be
stamping
ashamed of
clowns
yourself.
sat in some courtroom somewhere, bang, 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 with his little rubber stamp and everything. Yeah, let's go and have it, lads. Come on.
No one commenting on anything, no?
They can't comment because they know they're in the wrong.
We are the enemy.
Take your piece of silver now, tell you, 5 years' time, half pay, no pension, working for G4S. Working for
Probably have
Israel,
you
that's all
reading
you're
meters
doing.
if the truth's known.
See, they smile, don't they? But, you know, think, oh, that'll happen to me, but it will do. You always see people's day come, don't they?
Possession for a debt of £1,000. The warrant was granted this morning, so this is the first serving of the warrant. Forcing entry on the first serving is illegal. The police were informed before they attempted entry.
Sold your children into servitude. Well done, chaps.
Corporate facilitators.
Welcome to the New World Order.
Remember what happened in Nuremberg, boys?
They'll be reading gas meters soon anyway, won't they, when G4S takes their jobs?
What goes around comes around.
Happy with that, chaps, are we?
Did you have the refresher bar? I thought you had mint imperials.
Made you a good night, pal. Hope you sleep well.
Fascist.
Is Joseph Mengele your brother?
Well, come a time, you know, chaps, when saying I was just doing my job won't wash. Didn't wash in Nuremberg, it won't wash in the future. You've sold your children right down the river. Hope you're proud of yourselves. I like to think common purpose hasn't done its job totally, but you're starting to think.
On the liability orders, £6,500 rate, business rates, I think it was. £75,000.
Du, 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 du. Yeah. Job well done, chaps. Sold your children down the river. Job well done.
Just what Hitler needed.
Yeah, fantastic.
Keep upholding the legal side of things, like Auschwitz.
Fight for your pension, chaps, because it won't last.
G4S.
When we meet up.
Yeah, spot on.